video. Today we have the weekly ad from Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. It says price is valid 225 to 310, so you guys got about a week or so left. It says Lowe's get started early with spring savings. Alright, the first one here, we're just going to go over the tools. Obviously, we're a tool channel, so you guys are going to get bored if I go over the, the seeds and stuff like that. So, we got the Orbit. We got the Orbit Max 8-pounder nozzle, $14.98. The only thing I don't like about these is the back thing that they have. Sometimes they get hard, and it's real hard to put it on and off. Garden hose there, $19.98. You got a string trimmer, a Craftsman 25cc 2 cycles 17-inch cut gas string trimmer for $129. We've seen that gas prices have gone down dramatically, especially because of the battery operated equipment that's already out there. Same thing with the lawnmowers, they've gone down in price, especially the gas ones. Craftsman 140cc 21-inch cut push gas lawnmower, $239. So not a bad deal there. Got a Craftsman 1700 psi 1.2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer for $99. It's a great value. I think this is a great value for $99, so definitely check it out. You got a grill here at the bottom, $199. So you got a grill performance. It says 4-burner gas grill, $199. It's a really nice grills. Definitely check them out if you need one. And what else? We got some Eagle power equipment here to the right. Alright, starting here with the first one, we got a John Deere S 117.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut side by side. Foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower, $16.99. It's a really nice lawnmower here. Especially, I believe this, I don't know if this is included or not, the bagging part. It might be, you would have to read the specifics here on the, yeah, I don't see it. It might be included. Who knows? Because of the price, it's actually a little expensive. Well, not a little expensive, but it's fairly expensive. Same thing with this. I think they are included. If they show them on the picture, they should be included. Husqvarna YTH22V46, 22 horsepower V-twin 46-inch. This is a really nice one. Foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower, $18.99. Yeah, I think by this price, they must be able to include all the bagging, the compartment and stuff. Alright, got the Eagles. So 56 volts G power, 15-inch cut brushless string trimmer, $179.99. I believe this is tool only. No, it's not. It's the whole kit. So it does include a 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger, I believe. All right. We got the Eagle 56 volts G power 21-inch deck with self-propelled rear-wheel drive cordless lawnmower, $549.99. Like I said, prices have been so competitive that they had to. They're very competitive with other brands. Up to 60-minute runtime on a single charge, include 7.5 amp hour battery. So it does include a battery. Self-propelled 0.9 miles per hour to 3.1 miles per hour. 3-position cutting height adjustments. So it's a really nice lawnmower. It does have some headlights here on the front if you want to cut your yard at the middle of the night. And then they got a lawnmower here. I can't make this any bigger. Apologize. But it seems like they got a 0-turn lawnmower here. It looks really nice. Then they got the snow blower. You got the attachments for the string trimmer. And then you got the chainsaw, and then you got the inverter, the generator here. And then you got another lawnmower. You got some nice tools. Definitely a great value to get into. If you already own the batteries, just buy the tool. you're on your way there. So $199 for this Craftsman 2100 psi 1.2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer for $180. It's not a bad deal. It's a 1.2 gallons. All right, we got another lawnmower here. It's Craftsman 150cc 21-inch cut self-propelled front drive gas lawnmower for $299. It does have a Briggs & Stratton engine, 150cc. We got another one, pressure washer, 3000 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute gas pressure washer for $329. Max psi 3000, 2.3 gallons per minute, easy to maintain engine. Briggs & Stratton 208cc engine, reliable pump. Looks like that's it. We got another grill back here. We got a Charboil commercial series 4-burner gas grill, $549. It's a 4-burner. I like these 4 burners here. Yeah, I think that's the best way to do it, because you can only, if you're not cooking that much, all you do is just use 1/2 of that, and it brings it out. All these, I like the charcoal grills here. I like the flavor of the food when you do, your steak and stuff like that. So $147 for this one. It does have like a little table on the right and some accessory on the bottom. That's a really nice one. Let's see what else is here. I think that's all the tools. We got some house stuff here. We got a trash container. This is for the yard. The Blue Hawk 32-gallon trash can, $17.98. If you have a big yard like me, this is a must. That's a must-have. You got some cleaning chemicals there. Oh, what did I do? All right. Yep, that's it for today, guys. You know what? Before we go, we got a Craftsman storage here. So Craftsman 5-tier, 72-inch height, 42-inch width, 24-inch depth, plastic shelving unit, $74.99. Says every time you're buying a shelf like this, you got to look at the capacity, the weight capacity. 250-pound capacity. It's not too bad, but there's other ones that are really nice that you could load them up. They got really higher ratings than this. And if you're going to be putting like parts like equipment, gas equipment, or stuff that's going to weigh, you're going to have to look at this, because some of these are weak and they will not hold anything. So that's one thing to look at if you're buying a storage rack like that. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.